How to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix if you are facing this problem where your chat history is missing. But before we do that, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's jump right in. First thing first, you will have to log into your Messenger app, and once you do that, just head over on the hamburger menu and then the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, on your settings, all you have to do is scroll down to find privacy and safety, and here under security, you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Just tap on it. From here, you just want to head over to security alerts and tap on manage security alerts. And you will see two options here, your device or keys change, contacts, device or key change. Just make sure to toggle both of these on. If you don't have any of these on, you just turn on both of these. And once you turn this on, you just have to go back to your settings again and tap on safe browsing. So if your safe website browsing is not turned on, you just have to toggle it on as well. And once you turn it on, you can just refresh your Messenger app and then reopen it. But if that still doesn't fixes your problem, all you have to do is open up your Play Store and make sure the app is up to date. So go ahead and search for Messenger, and if you have an update button available here, you just update the app, restart it once again, and your problem should be fixed. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.